I started working on a new project. This is going to be a lacy scarf with shells and V-stitches. What I'm doing here is I'm working a shell directly into the starting chain. Over here I worked 3 double crochets, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. All those double crochets are worked into the same chain. What I need to do next is to skip 4 chains, and look, it's very tempting to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and work my next stitches over here. However, I need to be very careful because look what happened here. After I worked all of these stitches into the same chain, that chain stretched, it became bigger from all these stitches, but also the chain next to it, right here, became much smaller and difficult to see, and it's very easy to make a mistake and skip the chain, not notice it, and count the next chain instead. But I need to be very careful and to count this chain as well. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next stitch will be worked over here. That's all I wanted to share with you for today.